Real estate.
Real
Because
estate?
I own a few condos, and they all went up. Entertainment is the last thing you should invest in. With the internet, stealing, pirating.
Hey, what's up, you guys? One of the questions that I'm being asked by the friends, by people I know, by the subscribers on this channel is how to make the 2 times of the income on average rentals property. Now I will tell you how I can make it for you and how I do it for myself. Recently there's a video on my channel how to get a property for free if you go to that property. I got that property on very good pricing. It was pre-COVID, and it's old property. I mean, the market rent for it's a duplex for the front house would be probably somewhere around $3,000. I ended up renting that property for $5,400 a month to the insurance company. Now, how I do that, I've been in the property management business for a while now, guys, and I discovered very interesting ways, lucrative ways how to work with this type of properties. Doesn't matter the quality. If you do the really nice repairs, you can always find the tenants. The ways that we do that is, first of all, we work closely with insurance housing companies. I just post the listing on our website and then send the link to them, and they'll fill the forms. One of the famous ones is A-List Solutions. But if you have one property and you're hoping to cash flow from only those companies, it will not work. It's not constant. They come to the people that have much bigger networks. This is a way pretty much we work with them, and that's why we get to get their listings much more than other people do. Second is, of course, my own network. People know me. I've been about 8 years now in this business, and there are lots of people who I worked with. They just call me whenever they need a housing. Most of the times we work with international students, refugees, especially because of war. There were like tons of refugees from Eastern Europe. I work with those guys too. And other thing that we do is renting to traveling professionals. Here in California, salary, especially in construction business, is super high. And many companies just cannot afford to hire construction workers here. What they do, they hire them out of state. They actually hire the general contractor out of state. Most of the time it's the Texas guys because it's a cheap labor, and they bring them here. Those guys, after they bring them here, they need to house them. And they go to the guys like me. We help to house those people. Again, it could be rented for the 2 times of the rent. Why? Because if they would go to hotel, they would just pay the same amount and just get 1 room. In our case, they get a whole house with a kitchen, everything else with amenities, and they can just fit more people inside. Also, they are getting a comfort of the home. Do I have it going on very rarely? No. I utilize all 3 ways, and pretty much all my business is based on it. So if you guys will have a property somewhere in Southern California area, you want to make more, make sure to reach out to me in my comments. I'll let you know how can I help you, or I can just give you an advice how you can do it on your own. Anyways, if this video was of value, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel.